Hey guys, so I thought I might carry y'all on a load with me. So anyway, nothing else, we can talk about what's going on. So hang tight and I'll get the truck ready and we'll head out. Let's go if we can, or let's get going and see if we can get this load picked up and back before too awfully late. Gotta clear that tree I tell y'all about all the time. Then I have to clear my mailbox. Trailer actually runs right under my mailbox. So, but anyway, this is the first load of the day. Actually about 2:55 in the afternoon, and it'll be a little later tonight when I get in. It's about a 120-mile run one way. So we'll knock this out. If y'all can hear that, hang on, see if y'all can hear it. Yeah, my manifold's leaking. Sound like a turbo squealing on a big race car. But anyway, they told me yesterday they had the manifold in. I'm going to put a 2-piece manifold on it. Hopefully something better than what comes factory on it. So, but anyway, we're going to head out and get some rails. They're small load. I'll try to take a picture of it and let y'all see it when we get there and see how everything goes. I've been thinking about what kind of videos you guys would like to see, so I've been trying to get some different camera mounts and stuff, and I don't know. I can't figure out what it is that I like to see when I'm watching videos versus I want to be different than everybody else. So you guys can tell me in the comments things that y'all would like to see. Like the load I'm going on today, it's not the best view, like there's some loads I go on that's got mountain views and stuff. That would be pretty cool, but today's views is interstate and interstate and interstate. Well, we'll be going through Birmingham, Alabama, and so that'll be interstate and a bunch of daggum dummies. So I don't usually record going through big cities because I try to keep my attention solely on what's going on. I run slow going through the cities too. I mean, I try to allow myself space for dummies because even though it might not be my fault, I ain't got time for a wreck. So I try to stay back and let them do their thing and try to allow myself enough room that I can go around if they wipe out. But anyway, alright guys, I'll check back in with you here in a little bit. So here we are. We just got to our destination, and I'm having to, it's just a big steel yard on the outside. And then they turn all this steel into parts. I didn't have a mount for this, so I'm just trying to give y'all a view without running over some of this steel and going through a couple of tires. So anyway, we'll pull right down here. This is where we usually load. Sometimes we load over there, but there's a semi sitting there. And so I need to stay wide right here because it's a little tricky getting out. So anyway, let's get off and go get loaded. We are loaded and strapped. Paperwork said 11,000. I don't think it's that heavy. Y'all ever notice that sometimes they just write down weights? But we're a little bit further on this side. But we're good. Strapped, corner protected, and ready to go. Nothing hanging over. Let's get this show on the road and get it unloaded. Y'all have a good one. So we got loaded, y'all seen that, and we are stopped at my favorite quick fast food restaurant, or one of my favorite. It's my favorite when I'm working because they have truck parking. It's about the only fast food along all of my paths. Let me see. I think there's only one place I go to that don't have a Jack's along my way, and they may have, it's just off the beaten path. And I don't do off the beaten path. So you might say, what am I having today? What is Gary having? Gary is having chicken fingers and fries, barbecue something. So that is my favorite meal to get here at Jack's. So I generally don't stop when I'm on the road. because, you know, I just do short haul. But they dispatched me out late, and I mowed the yard all morning and had hardly no lunch. And I'd never eat much breakfast, so their fries at Jack's, they put this kind of stuff on it. This don't have much on it, but they're good. So I am about 30 minutes from where I'm dropping off. I came to get 4 rails for, that's hard to explain. Anyway, I came to get 4 rails, and if y'all seen the long pieces on the back that were stacked too high, the bottom ones, the real long ones, it's what I actually came to get. And I wound up getting a bunch more because that is a big supplier for the company I haul for, and their truck, the rear end had a seal messed up or something, so they're working on it. So they asked if I'd bring more, and they're always real good to me, and Hall pays me a good rate. So it said on the original BOL 11,000, but when I went through and added up all the pieces, it wasn't but 7,000. I think I told y'all when I was walking around it wasn't no 11,000. And I could tell by pulling it wasn't. But when I added up all the pieces individually, it was 7. So the guy at shipping probably just ballparked it. But he knew I could scale 12, so, or a little bit more than 12. So he probably just threw that on there. That was a bigger bite than I thought. I may have to move out. Oh, okay. Got a Old Dominion double trailer coming in. This place is full of trucks, or nearly full. I mean, one reason, this Jack's has been here a long time, but they tore down the old one, which wasn't very old, and built a new one. And when they did, they paved this truck parking. A lot of places has gravel truck parking, but this is one of the few Jacks that I've been to that had paved. But anyway, the Old Dominion guy running in and get something to eat. He's pulling double. I think he was looking to see if he blocked somebody in, because we got a few pickup trucks behind us. So, but I think they can get out. But anyway, I'm gonna eat supper, guys, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So I thought I'd let y'all ride along a little bit. Can't see much, but this is what we all see, ain't it? Going down the road. So done started getting dark early here in North Alabama. It has been dark for about an hour. It's 8:11 here, so it's been dark since about 7. So I don't like this. I like it being daylight to about 9. But anyway, hey, while y'all are out on the road, what favorite music do you guys like to listen to? Of course, you know y'all know I'm a big Fleetwood Mac fan, but when I'm on the road, I like Fleetwood Mac, but I like little Bob Seger greatest hit. That's pretty cool. I like listening to him when I'm mowing. And then Little River Band, I like them. Like I said, Fleetwood Mac. I got several, but that's probably my top 3. What do you guys like to listen to when you guys are on the road? Alright, let's drive on down the road and see what kind of trouble we can get into.